So funny.
Hello everyone. Shalou here from Barrie, Ontario, Canada with these beautiful ladies. We got Kim and Lori.
Hello.
And Kathy, and we are all together to enjoy this long weekend. We are going for a dragon boat paddle, and I hope you're doing something to enjoy your day as well, because when you are in joy, then you have dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins dripping through you and helping you heal and stay nice and healthy. But when you're not in joy, then you get the histamine, adrenaline, and cortisol, and you don't want that. What do you got to say, Kathy?
Oh, you know what? All we needed was a little bit of fresh air and sunshine and beautiful water.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D, that's right. And be with lovely people, lovely friends.
Yeah. And when you're with these kind of friends, before you come out to events like this, you get to get like Wolf Non-Surgical, and they fix you, so nothing hurts when you go out. So thank you so much, my dear friend. Yeah,
I love being in Barrie, getting my dose with all these beautiful women. It's so awesome, so good. Yes,
it is. It is
pain-free paddling.
Yes. So this beautiful lady here is the one that's going to be co-hosting the BraveHeart Health and Healing Circle with me in November.
Yes,
and which reminds me, on Friday we have to do our walkthrough.
Yes,
so we're going to go check out the beautiful studio where we're going to be hosting. And so if anyone out there is just sick and tired of being sick and tired. Come join us November 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th. And
you probably make lifelong friends with yourself and a whole lot of other people.
First and foremost with yourself, absolutely. So anyway, we're going to hop off now. I hope you're enjoying this day, and we're going to get on to paddling. Have the best day ever. Oh, if you have any questions, you can call me at 705-828-2257 or Lori
at 416-587-3954.
Or go to braveheartnation.com. All the information's there. Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great day. Bye.